Hey there, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick look at a 2025 Azimut A45 Atlantis. First thing you're going to notice across the back of this platform is going to be a hydraulic platform. So this will actually go about 3-4 feet into the water, so you can stop it at any level, have a beach mode, the kids can hang off here and swim, and you could even put a tender or jet ski across the back. Now, you're going to notice there's a very large swim pad here, but hidden underneath is a really neat feature. So what you have here is a hidden tender garage that you can actually put a Williams jet tender right in there, so you're not even taking up any of the space along the platform. If you didn't want to use it, it's great for a whole bunch of toys, anything you want, sea bobs, great storage. We enter the cockpit of the boat. What you're going to notice is we have a really large U-shaped seating here along the starboard side. Table will fold out for some additional spacing. And then on the port side, we have a really neat configuration. We have an ice chest here. We have ice maker, and we also have a hidden grill with sink. As we move forward on the boat, port side, we have a large lounging area so you can hang out while we're underway. And then at the helm, the captain's going to have twin Garmin electronics. We're going to have our throttle controls. We're going to have our joystick docking. And also, additionally, we ordered this specific boat with a bow thruster. You're going to notice above me is a massive sunroof, bringing the outside inside. And a really beautiful feature that I love on this boat is a one-piece windshield. You have great 360-degree views. So on the bow, we have a nice sun pad for at least 4 people, convenient cup holders, great railing all the way around the boat to move yourself forward. And again, you get a great shot of that windshield and that sunroof from this angle. So downstairs, what we're going to notice starboard side is we have a beautiful galley, Mealy appliances, refrigerator, freezer, your stovetop, and then we have port side, we have a nice U-shaped seating, and this also will convert into a sleeper. Right behind the dinette, we have your full shower and head compartment, vacuum flush head, a lot of space in there. So in the aft compartment, we have sleeping for 3. We have 2 berths here on the starboard side and a single on the port. The owner's compartment here forward, we have a nice V-berth bed, lots of storage to use for all your outfits, and then your ensuite. Come on down to MarineMax Clearwater, step on board the 2025 Azimut A45 Atlantis. Patrick Rourke, I'll walk you through it. See you soon.